A relationship to a woman is like air, okay? Right? And I don't care how much you love your job, how much you love your friends, how rich your family relationships are, nothing takes the place of a full relationship for a woman. It just doesn't. It's so natural to us. It's so what we're wired to do. That whole, evolutionary psychology thing, I loved that. That was fantastic. We're so wired as women to partner and to create life. We're so relationship oriented. It's so who women are. It's why we talk to everyone. I'm sure you're all talking to each other this weekend. We're so wired to be in relationships. So if you are feeling like a loser because you're longing for a relationship, I actually have the opposite stance on that. My whole practice is women with such fantastic lives and so much going on that they forgot to make relationships their priority. It wasn't even really on their radar. They're getting their second and third degree. They're opening their law firm. They're starting their talent company. Whatever. They're building their house. They're fixing it up. They're getting another house. Then it hits them at like 38. Like, whoops. It's getting kind of late. I thought it was just going to work itself out.